The Omen Gaming Hub is more than just a dashboard, it's the key to unlocking your PC's full potential. By tweaking a few specific power, thermal and AI settings, you can significantly boost your FPS and lower your temps. And here are the best settings to use. So open up a hub and go to Performance Control. Switch the power mode from Balanced to Performance. This removes power limits on your CPU and GPU. If you're on a laptop, ensure you are plugged into a wall outlet to keep these high-performance clocks stable. Next, toggle on Omen AI under the Performance tab. This feature uses intelligent algorithms to automatically adjust your system vitals based on the game you're playing. It's the easiest way to gain a 5 to 10% performance boost without manual overclocking. And in the same menu, look at a thermal control. For most users, auto is best as it balances noise and cooling. However, if your system is running hot, switch to max before starting a long session. This prevents thermal throttling, which is the main cause of sudden FPS drops. Then, if your model supports it, go to the graphics switcher in the sidebar. Select discrete mode. This forces your system to use the powerful NVIDIA or AMD card exclusively, bypassing the weaker integrated graphics for a much smoother gaming experience. And finally, go to the Optimizer tab and turn on Omen Booster. This automatically closes unnecessary background apps when a game starts. Also, set Network Booster to Dual Force or Gaming Priority to ensure your game traffic always gets the lowest latency possible. So that's another problem solved. If this guide saved your system, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a shortcut. Stick around for more tech made easy, and I'll see you in the next one.